Hello and welcome to the Big Basket channel. Although every day is a new beginning, but New Year specially works as a gentle reminder to self to start fresh. And when I say starting fresh, the zeal to form new habits tops this chart. So today, let's discuss some tips on effective homemaking habits that can level up your homemaking game in the coming days. By the way, there is an exciting giveaway waiting for you in this video, so follow till the end. But before that, let's talk about our habit number 1, having a routine. We were made to follow a timetable in the schools for a reason. Time blocking our daily activities and forming a set routine for each activity helps in giving the right structure to our day. Following a routine is exactly giving a timetable to self until it becomes a habit. As a homemaker, where one needs to juggle between so many things in a day, knowing what needs to be done when and for how long is an effective way to plan your day. To make the routine easier, start small. Like, just start with a simple morning routine by waking up at the same time, setting a fixed time to exercise, making the bed, cleaning and organizing the home for an hour, getting ready, and eating a healthy breakfast. Once you get the hang of things, start adding to this routine until you make a full plan for the day. And now, let's talk about the exciting giveaway I mentioned. Tell me how many times I have used the word habit in this video. Quickly write your answers in the comment section and make sure you subscribe to the Big Basket channel as the basic eligibility. And the first 5 winners will win exciting Big Basket vouchers. Homemakers' responsibilities are huge, so creating healthy habits to take charge of own self becomes even more important. In the daily hustle of non-stop chores, taking a mindful break for ourselves is like recharging our batteries. Forming small habits like a good skincare, 15 minutes meditation, and doing a hobby you enjoy lowers the stress and gives a reason to break the monotony of regular work. When we know we gave ourselves a much needed break, the motivation to finish even the same old task increases. That's the reason why I like to fill my cup of self-love early in the day to feel energetic throughout the day. Happy homemaking begins with a clean and organized home. The habit of putting things back in their place and keeping surroundings clutter-free saves a lot of time and energy on a daily basis. Knowing simple organizing tricks like having space for everything you own, using the right organizers to store things, and attempting to beautify space can make a huge difference in the look and feel of the entire house. There is no denying that clean spaces bring more positivity, clear our minds for better thinking, and bring the best productivity out. Organizing is ever ongoing process, so being at it and making a habit of taking some time out in a day to organize our space and putting things back in their place becomes very important. As I mentioned earlier, a homemaker's responsibilities are huge. The task list remains longer and the tasks look never ending. But blindly running around these tasks to finish everything on the plate is a recipe for disaster. So the question is, how to check these tasks off your list? Well, getting into the habit of prioritizing these tasks, start by listing every single work you intend to finish. Out of those hundreds of jobs pending on your to-do, decide which one are the most crucial and finish them first. Once done, tick them off and repeat this simple process every day. Finishing priority jobs first makes a major impact on our motivational levels, and this way, even if a few menial jobs get missed, we will still end up feeling productive and content with our day. And by the end, feeling content with our work is the only means of keep going and achieving this habit of prioritizing. While practices improve our skills, some tools helps in improving our practices. And one such powerful tool for homemaking is making lists. We cannot always know it all, like what things are there in the pantry, what are finishing, what to restock, and what to consume. Our mind can remember only as much, but penning work down and having a visual understanding of everything feels organized and less overwhelming. Relying on lists reduces the chances of missing things and errors in the process. This might look like an extra task, but this 5-minute habit of spending time in making lists saves us from juggling and wasting our time later. A to-do list of work that need to be done, a shopping list of items that needs to be added, list of fridge and pantry stock in the house, or list of food that you need to prepare are a few of the listing options for a smart homemaker. As we are talking of tools, another dominating tool for homemaking is making a meal plan. Food is an inseparable part of homemaking, so knowing what to cook ahead of time is half the job done. The habit of meal planning brings many perks. Once we know what needs to be cooked, the friction of cooking meals reduces. The pantry gets best utilized, which not only reduces waste but also saves money in the longer run. Also, the food that reaches on the table will always be well thought and nutritious. So, forming a habit of intentional meal planning helps in adding more variety to our food and also reduces the monotony in cooking. I hope this video will motivate or remind you to form some habits. If it did, do like this video. And also, participate in the giveaway by writing your answers in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Big Basket channel for more such amazing videos. See you all very soon.